is about creating dashboards. To create a dashboard, we have to create a rule of the type dashboard. To create a rule, go to the admin menu and select rules. We will search for dashboard as a keyword, which gives us a list of all the dashboards that are currently defined in the database. From here we can work on existing dashboards. We can edit them, delete them, deactivate them temporarily, or we can create a new one from scratch, which is what we are going to do now by clicking the plus sign, giving it a name, my new dashboard, and selecting the type dashboard. This is the data, all the data that we have to enter for now. Clicking on done, we have a new entrance for my new dashboard, and we can start adding reports to it, dashlets as we call them. Dashlets can be found on the right side in the palette. Here you have a list of the available dashlets to be included in a dashboard, and we are going to include a topic list. Just by dragging it to the middle, releasing it, we are adding this type of dashlet. Double clicking it lets us configure it. We want to report on a topic category incident, and for those incidents we want to include the incidents that are in a status assigned, a status in progress, pending CR, pending IT action, and resolved. The fields, the detailed fields that we want to see for each of these topics in the list or the title. The description, it's description. The name status, that's the status they are currently transitioned to, and the due date as an example. Just saving it, and we have added our first dashlet. We can also select like a pie chart on topics. In this pie chart, double clicking it lets us configure it. We will group our data on the status. Again, we will report on the incident and the statuses that we want to report on, or the assigned, the in progress, the pending CR, the pending IT, the new status, and the resolved status. Just by saving this, saving our dashboard here, the rule, saving the rule, refreshing on the left, we will see that the dashboard gets added to the list of available dashboards for that user. Running it, and here we see that I have my list of topics, incidents, with the status, the due date, description, title, and ID, as I have indicated in the fields I wanted to be displayed. Here I have my topics chart with the pending CR, the pending IT action, in progress, new assigned. I could add close to it, or I could add more statuses in place by reconfiguring it here, and say I want to select also the close state, saving it, and there will be an extra entry now. Close the red ones, there are 5 of them added. From here I can drill down to the details and see all the incidents that are in a particular status. This one is pending IT action, and this is done from my dashboard. In my ruling system, my dashboard gets automatically versioned, and I can call back history if I would have made changes and do a rollback. So like form rules, like event-based rules, like dashboard rules, all of them are versioned, and all of them can be rolled back to a previous version if necessary.